you ready to dive into the world of optical fiber networks and transform your career? In just 4 days, you can master the skills needed to excel in the telecom industry. Whether you have an ITI, diploma, or degree, this course is designed for you. Imagine working hands-on with cutting-edge splicing machines and test equipment. You'll learn to use OTDR, power meters, light sources, and visual fault locators. This training is perfect for anyone aiming to work in OFC backbone or FTTH networks. Our expert instructors will guide you through every step of the process. Gain practical experience that will set you apart in the competitive job market. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your technical skills and career prospects. Join us and become a proficient optical fiber network professional today.